Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of professional grooming with the Zaekary professional hair clippers for men, a versatile barber clipper and trimmer set designed for everyone in the family. This cordless grooming kit features a large professional clipper with adjustable blades, perfect for tackling all hair types and lengths, alongside a zero-gap micro trimmer for precise beard and sideburn trimming. Crafted with a durable alloy cutter head, these clippers are built to handle thick, wet, and complex hairstyles, while operating at a quiet volume of less than 45 decibels, making it ideal even for baby haircuts during nap time. With a powerful 3000 mAh rechargeable battery, the hair clipper offers up to 240 minutes of runtime after just 3 hours of charging, and the beard trimmer boasts a 2000 mAh battery for the same impressive duration after only 2 hours of charge. The high-definition LED display ensures you can easily monitor the remaining power, preventing any unexpected interruptions during your grooming session. This comprehensive kit includes a variety of limit tones, cleaning brushes, USB charging cables, and more, making it perfect for both professional hairdressers and home users alike. Packaged in a special gift box, the Zaekary Professional Hair Clippers set is an ideal choice for gifting to family, friends, or even yourself, ensuring everyone can enjoy a top-notch grooming experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.